Hi, I'm Alex Gundel with ShowSage. We're here at InfoComm 2026. Here you can see we have WATCHOUT 7. We're at WATCHOUT 7.8. We've improved a lot of features within it. Here we're showcasing an LED panel mapping, and we're showcasing 3D mapping with two projectors on an object. The object, you're able to import any kind of OBJ file, 3DS. You set up projectors to see your model, and then you map it using focus points. And once you align those points, the projector sees it, and it appears on your object. WATCHOUT's made a lot of improvements over the years. There's new features like blind edit. They're implementing ST2110. There's new web UI features, and as well as a WATCHOUT 6 importer, for those of you who have been using WATCHOUT 6 for so many years. If you have any other questions, you can reach us at showsage.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.